Start your day seamlessly from the Howmuch POS dashboard. Here, you can quickly access general operations like initiating a new order. This ensures you're always just a click away from serving your customers efficiently. Navigate to the order screen where flexible payment options are available. However, attempting a partial payment without adding items will prompt an error. Our system ensures accurate order processing from the start. First, add the desired product, like baby oil, to your customer's order. Then, if you attempt a partial payment, the system will remind you to fill in customer information. This ensures every transaction has complete details. Easily add customer details such as their name, email, and phone number using the dedicated pop-up. This crucial step helps personalize service and maintains accurate records, enhancing your customer relationship management. Now you can process partial payments with ease. Simply enter the cash received and the system automatically calculates the remaining due amount. Review the comprehensive invoice, which clearly reflects the partial payment and outstanding balance. This streamlined process ensures transparency. Confirm the transaction to finalize the order. Even with a partial payment, the system efficiently updates the outstanding balance to zero, preparing you for your next sale. This ensures smooth and organized daily operations.